Here in Tashkent, especially came from
Sending hello for everyone.
Hello to everyone. No, US got real skills. For shopping. Thank you so much, Power.
इनको भाई मस्त इनको वो मिला है ये average है
Used for medical purposes, they used to tell by these quirks, that's the
It's actually real.
हम उठे सुबह बहुत लेट और अभी हम कैब में जा रहे हैं अपने वेन्यू पे और हमने ब्रेकफास्ट मिस कर स्किप कर दिया मिस और स्किप दोनों कर दिया है एंड देखो भाई सस्ती व्लॉगिंग इधर पे चल रही है
Yes.
तो हमने स्किप कर दिया एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग 5 मिनट दिखा रहे हैं वी हैव टू रीच द कमेटी सेशन 10 मिनट्स बिफोर टू द कॉन्फ्रेंस सो दैट
हमको तो समझ में एग्जैक्टली वहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है।
और आज बेखरोज आ रहा है बुखारा से ताशकंद पता वो बस से आ रहा है आई डोंट नो बस से कितना टाइम लगता है बट ट्रेन से 4 घंटे लगते हैं तो काफी दूर है एंड वो सिर्फ स्पेशली मिलने आ रहा है भाई
The community sessions, I mean, after 6:30 when we're free, we will go to Tashkent City Park.
This is our community session, UNCPD, United Nations Commission on Population and Development, and we already have some delegates who have arrived here. And yeah, which you can see, a lot of delegates are already there. This is our co-chair Daria, Daria. How should I pronounce it? Daria, right? And here is Mia, Tasmin, and Rapture who is not arrived yet. We're waiting for her. Let's hope she arrives soon. In order to accommodate everyone's interest in foreign policies of country, also just keep in mind whenever you are forming groups while say talking or.
Economically good and we're looking support from these countries to improve their health according to the prevention activities.
What should I भाई वेजिटेरियन के नाम पे ये दिया मुझे लाल टमाटर और ये पता नहीं क्या दलिया सा दिया हुआ है एंड इनको भाई मस्त इनको वो मिला है ये average है This is Uzbek bread. This is coffee.
No, that's tea, and that's a salad.
But इसको काफी strong smell है ना
Oh, it does.
Then I just keep on speaking in Hindi.
It's my
anti-GBV campaign. However, we did not take into consideration that some countries
I don't know how to. The way that things have been, oh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my CEO. Woo! Guys, chair of UNSC. Woo! It's in the beauty. Guys, another chair has joined us.
Yes, you can begin.
Oh, bro.
Oh my god.
No.
Whoa.
US got real skills. Oh.
At night with lights and everything. Yeah, it's beautiful at night.
Let's go.
And
This
there's
is Kamila, and we have finally met after 3 years.
Maybe just hold it up.
So we're here in front of Westminster International University, and we met Kamila here. Almost after how?
3 years.
3
We
years.
haven't met for 3 years.
Yeah.
She's a virtual
And-
friend.
yeah.
And he's actually real.
Yeah, obviously
Not
I'm
like a
real.
Zoom. It's not like a Zoom. And this person always congratulates
Okay.
me with the birthday. Always.
So,
And this is like a tradition. This is my real friend.
yeah. In India, everyone does that. Almost everyone. Yeah.
Yes, my India friends.
I also have a dream
So-
to meet all my virtual friends. So
Okay.
my dreams come true every time.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's pretty cold out here. What happened? What happened to you?
ये लोग कहाँ गए?
Oh,
Nothing is wrong with me. Nothing is wrong.
did I say something is wrong with you? I just asked what's up with you. भाई ये UAE का flag. Oh no, now it's Uzbek. Uzbeki. We're finding Kamala and the party where they are, and I'm finding it difficult to carry my phone outside the pockets, so I'm just switching it off. So we came to this restaurant called Arrows and Sparrows in Tashkent City Park, and this is looking pretty nice. पता नहीं बस वो पहुंचने वाला है, एंड ही सिंग या हम जस्ट देयर ऑलरेडी, बस दिख नहीं रहा, अभी पहुंचने ही वाला होगा, एंड आई एम थिंकिंग कि we have finally met Bekroz here in Tashkent. Especially came from Bukhara to Tashkent, and his cousin Samir. We also have Kamala with us. All the Prosperity World Immune gang here assembled, and yes, I'm here as well. So can you just come in a frame? Yo, guys, India, Uzbekistan. We have met Bekroz here.
Yeah,
How long did it take you to reach Tashkent from Bukhara?
8 hours.
8 hours.
8 hours.
Bhai, he just came to Bukhara to meet me.
Yes, to meet.
8 घंटे लगा के. I mean, this person is bhai sahab. This person is. She's a real friend,
so
bhai.
much. Yes,
Just to
we
meet me. My goodness.
He's associate professor of, I don't know, fellow research of.
Oh, so
India.
you are working with him.
Yes, he gonna teach in Aba University for 1 month.
Which university do you study in?
Bukhara State University.
Okay. And where do you study?
19 school.
19 school?
number 19.
School. Oh, it's in Bukhara only.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
I graduated Bukhara State University.
And now I'm doing my bachelor's in history in St. Stephen's College, University of Delhi.
To make a block.
Yeah. I'm doing major in history science.
Yeah, he's also.
When I think about the world and me in midnight, and I wonder how those years have disappeared. Should I do the things I don't want in the moment, or should I focus on the moment now?
Yeah, so now we are heading back to our dormitory, and everyone's heading back. Again, बहुत ठंड हो गई है, and everyone's now in their winter clothing again. You can see Kamala, you can see Madhav, you can see everyone there. And you'll be just walking all the way. What happened? Are you feeling cold? So it's cool actually, and I'm wearing a muffler that was given to me by Bekroz. Yes.
I'm sending hello for everyone.
Hello to everyone.
A few moments later.
Babur came here to help us shopping. Thank you so much, Babur. Not just this, he helped to shop us a lot with Madhav because he studies in Russia. Yeah, sure, why not? So yeah, we're so grateful to him. As you can clearly see, we've already purchased a lot of stuff and we're still choosing a lot. So Babur is helping us to choose best among the best so that we get the best things from India.
United Kingdom. United States.
Usually this building is administrative. This is for staff and for law students. Because they are minority here. They're only like 600 out of 500 students. 600 only. So the maze is hidden here.
Okay. Oh.
It was presented by the by the rector of the University of Westminster. It's made from oak from England, the ancient oak. The oak was 500 years old. They made it from that oak and presented to Westminster. And to Islam Karimov. Islam Karimov is the first president of Uzbekistan. It was given to him and he placed it here. It has a very big ceremonial role.
The airport is also named after
Islam Karimov, yeah. He was one of the... But LRC, Learning Resource Center, it's like modern name of the library.
LRC.
Like nobody is there, but we can, I think, inside. I don't know how to switch on
This is the library, better called LRC.
Yeah, this is a bridge. It's not LRC. The library hasn't started yet. It's just a bridge.
All right.
Library consists of two sections. Now we will go to the main textbook section. Main textbook section is a silent area. It has very interesting history. Silent area this place was used when the Tsar was here. This place was used as the college. Then it was during the war. It was a medical center. Then it was Women's Academy, then it was Pilots Academy, then now it's Westminster.
Okay.
So when it was used for medical purposes, they used to carry bodies, corpse, all the dead people in the silent area of the library. Now I don't think So this was a log actually. Не, помоги там лучше. I need to... Там свет есть где. There is no way to... I don't know how to turn on the lights.
You don't need to, excuse me.
It's fine.
I need to find out the lights. I don't know where are they.
He'll show us everything.
Here.
Oh, really?
What did you put down? And they will, or if you don't know the book where it is located, you can put the book or find it here. It will show in which part of the library the book is located. Because we have too many books, it's very hard sometimes to navigate. So, or you just put the book and they will show where similar books are located because of the chip system that they have.